My dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the question answer summary and notes of class 5 English lesson, the parable of talents. If you want the other lessons, question answers, notes and summary, you can check the playlist of my channel. You can also check the question answers and notes of EVS. So comprehension is there. In that, first main, choose the most appropriate answer, that is, choose the correct answer. Question number 1, the man entrusted his property to his slaves because options are: he was generous, he wanted to test them, he was going on a journey, he loved them very much. Answer is he was going on a journey. Question number 2, the slave who got 5 talents decided to hide the talents, trade with them, invest them with bankers, earn 2 more talents. Answer is trade with them. Question number 3, the slave who got 1 talent hid it in a hole because he wanted to earn 1 more talent, he wanted to receive interest, he thought that his master was generous, he thought that his master was a harsh man. Answer, he thought that his master was a harsh man. Second main, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 sentences each. In that, question number 1, why did the man give talent to his slaves? Answer, God has placed each one of us on this earth for the express purpose of using our talents, not for ourselves but for the glory of God, and this frequently includes helping others financially. So the man gave talents to his slaves. Question number 2, what did the slaves do with their talents? Answer, the first 2 slaves used their talent, thus multiplying them, but the one who had only 1 talent did not use it because simply buried it or hid it in the ground. Question number 3, how did the master appreciate the first slave? Answer, the master praised the first slave by saying that he has done a good deed and that he was a good and trustworthy slave. The master put the first slave in charge of many things and welcomed him into the joy of his master. Question number 4, how was the third slave published? Answer, the master took away the only talent in the first slave and gave it to the one with the 10 talents. Next writing part, in that first is answer the following questions in a paragraph each, that is 6 to 8 sentences. Question number 1, what did the second slave do with the talents and how he was rewarded? Answer, the master gave 2 talents to the second slave. When the second slave had received the 2 talents, went off at once and traded with them and made 2 more talents. When his master came and saw the second slave talents, his master said to him, well done, good and trustworthy slave. You have been trustworthy in a few things. I will put you in a charge of many things. Enter into the joy of your master. Question number 2, how did the first and second slaves impress their master? Answer, the first and second slave impressed their master like the master gave 5 talents to the first slave and the 2 talents to the second slave, to each accordingly to his ability. Then master went away. The first slave has received 5 talents, went off at once and traded with them and made 5 more talents. In the same way, the second slave had the 2 talents, made 2 more talents. Like this way, the first and second slaves impressed their master. Question number 3, why do you think that the master got angry with the third slave? Answer, the master got angry with the third slave because the third slave had received only 1 talent but went off and dug a hole in the ground and hid his master's talent. When the master came back and asked him what did he done with his talent, the third slave replied that he knew that his master was a harsh man who reaped where he did not sow, and gathered where he did not sow, and gathered where he did not scatter. But the master expected the slave would have invested his money with the bankers, and after he returned would have received his own money with interest. Question number 4, do you find any difference between the attitude of 3 slaves in the parable? Discuss. Answer, in the parable, the 3 slaves show their attitudes. The first slave had received 5 talents from his master and went off at once and traded them and made 5 more talents. This is the first slave's ability. The second slave had received 2 talents from his master and went off at once and traded with them and made 2 more talents. This is the second slave ability. The third slave had received one talent, went off and dug a hole in the ground and hid his master's money. He did not use his ability and he was a lazy person. His master gave his talent to the slaves according to the slave's ability. Question number 5. What would you have done if you are in the place of third slave? Answer. When he had received one talent, I would have at once traded with them and made one more talent and impressed the master when he came back. Question number 6. The master took the one talent from the third slave and gave it to the one who already have 5. Do you find it a strange thing? Answer. The master took the one talent from the third slave and gave it to the first slave because the master knew his slave's abilities. That's why he gave first slave to 5 talents, second slave to 2 talents and third slave to the 1 talent according to their ability. Next question. Reaping where you did not sow and gathering where you did not scatter seeds. What do you understand by this statement? Answer. The statement means that someone has done the hard work of sowing the seeds but someone else is reaping the harvest. It means that a person is benefiting from other person's work. That is, someone else is sowing or scattering the seeds and some other person is harvesting the crop. Next, grammar part. Use a dictionary word. Write the past forms of the following verbs. Eat, ate, fly, flew, move, moved, leave, left, live, lived, go, went, read, read, attain, attained, prepare, prepared, visit, visited, play, played, watch, watched, bring, brought, know, knew, listen, listened, write, wrote, listen, listened, walk, walked, pray, prayed, enjoy, enjoyed, see, saw. These are all the past tense. Next, here is a letter written by Sneha to her father on her trip to the Nandi Hills with her friends. Read the letter and correct the errors in the letter. This is the letter with the errors. Afterwards, we have to correct it. I will read the corrected letter. Dear father, we went to Nandi Hills yesterday. There were 30 students in the party. We travelled by bus. We left school at 9 a.m. We reached Nandi at 10 a.m. On the way, we saw on both sides of the road tall trees, thick bushes and monkeys too. The road was smooth. We played games and took rest for 3 hours. We returned at 5 p.m. All of us enjoyed the trip. Yours lovingly, Sneha. Next main, rewrite the following sentences using the past form of the verbs underlined. Example, the cobbler mends the shoes. For that mends, we have to change it to the past form. The cobbler mended the shoes. Next, my English teacher teaches me the letters of the alphabets. My English teacher taught me the letters of the alphabet. Raghu paints the picture. Raghu painted the pictures. They keep their pet animals in the separate box. They kept their pet animals in a separate place. Those men enjoying TV, watching TV always. Those men enjoyed watching TV always. Write in 7 or 8 sentences all that you do every day in your school before you leaving for your school. I get up at 5 o'clock, I brush my teeth, I refresh myself, I pray and meditate, I do my homework, I get dressed my uniforms, I have my breakfast, I put my shoes on. Next, write in 5 or 6 sentences how your mother usually prepare coffee or tea. You may begin writing, my mother boils the water, add the coffee, add the sugar, pour it in a hot water, add some milk, stir the coffee and serve it. Next main, this is what Shankar of class 9 did in his school. Read it completely and write in full sentences the action of Shankar. So here are the options which we have to use to write what Shankar will do every day. So here we will write, yesterday Shankar attended the English class. He visited the science lab. He read a book in English from the library. He listened to his science teacher and he had lunch with his friends. After coming back to house, he did problems in arithmetic and wrote practical records. And he went to play in ground. He talked to friends in ground. On the next day, he discussed with the geography teacher on project work. Now the parable of talents summary is there in English. We will read this. The story is about a competition between physical strength and thinking ability. In this lesson, the lost servant slave searches for his buried talent, while the two other servants present their earnings to their master. The parable of the talents is one of the parable of Jesus, which appear in two of the synoptic canonical gospels of the New Testament. So this is all about your lesson, the parable of talents, question answers, notes and summary. As I have told you, if you want the more lessons, question answers, notes and summary, please check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.